Hello and welcome back to Steam with Steve. Today we're going to go through the next part in our coding combat adventure. So we're going to move down to this part here. So we're going to do the concept challenge long steps, which is just after the fourth one. So we click on that guy there, long steps, and open that guy up. So the goal here, hero must survive, collect all 3 gems, escape from the dungeon under 8 statements. Okay, so we've got a little ogre there, we've got some fire traps and this little scorpion. Should be reasonably okay. So if we think about this, the concepts are we need to use all the things that we've learned so far. So we need to be able to move, and we can only do it in 7 commands. So if we go, we want to first of all move right. So hero.move right. We then want to go hero.move up. I'm going to use the parameter there, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3 up, right, and then we want to go hero.move right. I'm going to move 2 to the right. Then what's the easiest way to do this? So if we want to go down, we could go there and across, but see how that's 2 separate commands? It might be easier. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm already too long. 8, 9. So we can't go that way around. So what we could do if we go 1, 2, 3, and then go all the way down the bottom, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 gets us out. So see how it's a little bit convoluted, but it actually is the most efficient way of getting around. So we're going to move right, and then now what we're going to do is going to go hero.move down, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3 down. Then we're going to go hero.move left, hero.move up, and then hero.move right. And we want that to go 1, 2, 3 across. Let's see what happens.
Move right.
It's looking good.
Move up.
Awesome. So we're going to get up to the top there. It's all good. We're moving right. Luckily the ogre can't come because he's trapped in the fire. Hit.
Move left. Move up.
Speaking ogreish.
Move right.
So we move right, and we made it. Awesome. So say sometimes when we code, it's not always the path that we think it is obvious. Like initially, I was thinking moving there and then coming down, but it's not the most efficient way of doing it, was it? Okay. So hopefully you picked up something from that, and yeah, see you next time on Steam It with Steve. See ya.